ISO, or International Organization for Standardization, is the world's largest developer of international standards. This standard makes things work. It gives world-class specifications for products, services, and systems, to ensure quality, safety and efficiency. They are instrumental in facilitating international trades. Based in Geneva, Switzerland, ISO has issued ISO 9001 certificates to more than 180 countries, and over 1 million companies worldwide are ISO certified. ISO 9001 is a quality management system standard designed to help companies ensure that they meet the needs of customers while meeting statutory and regulatory requirements. Other examples of ISO are ISO 14001 Environmental Management System and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety. In this active world, where global competition between companies and exponential growth are obvious, the adoption of quality management system standard has become priority. But what is quality? According to the American Society for Quality, or ASQ, quality is the characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. Quality gurus have different definitions of quality. Based on my experience, training, and education, I employ the definition from a quality expert, Armand Feigenbaum, who says that quality is what the customer says it is. What is quality system? Quality system is a set of activities established to provide quality products and services that meet user needs. The advantages of quality system are the following. 1. Consistent quality products and services. 2. Reduces cost of errors and inefficiencies. 3. Increases customer satisfaction. 4. Greater market share and repeat orders. 5. Improves bottom line and meets budget. ISO 9001 is a quality management system standard designed to help companies ensure that they meet the needs of customers while meeting statutory and regulatory requirements. What are the benefits of ISO 9001? 1. Customer satisfaction, less complaints, more orders. 2. Operational efficiency, faster, easier, less costly. 3. Continuous improvement, keep getting better. 4. Marketing advantage, more contracts, more customers. 5. Reduction in waste, less reships, expired items, error investigation. A quick snapshot of the ISO 9001 history is presented. In 1980, Technical Committee 176 was formed. In 1987, the first edition of the standard was published. In 1994, the first minor revision was implemented. In 2000, the first major revision was published. In 2008, the second minor revision of the standard was issued. And in 2015, the second major revision was implemented. The latest version is the ISO 9001-2015, which was published in September 2015. Thank you. Please comment below if you would like to know more information about ISO 9001.